We can all measure our individual impact on the environment by looking at how much plastic we consume, or gas we burn, or even how much garbage we waste. But how exactly are we supposed to measure how much energy our home wastes? If you haven't seen the first two videos of this series, I encourage you to watch those first. We talk all about how we can make our homes greener and how air is escaping our home. In those videos, we mention energy audits. This is basically when an energy advisor comes to your home and determines your home's energy efficiency and what improvements are needed to be made in order to increase your home energy efficiency. And in this process, you're going to receive a home EnerGuide label. Now, if that EnerGuide logo looks familiar to you, it probably is. It's all over the place. It's all over your washing machines, your dishwashers, your water boilers, your furnaces. It's everywhere. And that's because this label is used all over the place in the energy industry. It's used to recognize how much a product consumes energy. And just like your home, it consumes energy as well, so it also needs an EnerGuide label. Okay, like that's cool and all, but why should you care? Well, this label has a ton of useful information on it, such as how much energy your home consumes, where is that energy being consumed, what is it consuming, and as well how much greenhouse gas your home emits every single year. I could sit here and talk about an EnerGuide label all day, but I think it's better if we actually look at one. At the top of the label, this bar shows you how many gigajoules of energy your home consumes every single year. The further right you go on the bar, the more energy your home consumes. And then the further left is less. It also compares your home's current energy consumption to a typical new home. This chart here breaks down what resource your home uses to produce energy. And on the right is a breakdown of where that energy is being consumed. Right underneath is important for keeping track of how much greenhouse gas your home emits every year. And that's it. That's the entire label. But what is the actual use of this label, and why am I talking about it, and why are you listening to me, and why do you even care? It's good to understand how much of an environmental impact your home has so that you might consider getting some home energy upgrades so that you can reduce your carbon footprint. But as well, this label can be used to increase your property value. I'm not joking, it really can. Think about it. If you have proof that your home can reduce energy bills and keep the next homeowners warm and comfortable throughout the harsh winters and the hot summers, it will be worth more than the identical copy your neighbor has. Well, now you know. You're not only gonna do your part for the environment, but you're also gonna save money on your next energy bill. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're ready to get that EnerGuide label, you gotta get a home energy audit first, and you could start by calling us. Call, email, or text us. The numbers are gonna be on the end screen after this video. And as always, stay cool, my friends.